Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial of Ubuntu command line tutorial for beginners. So today we will be discussing one of the important commands of Ubuntu and Linux. We will be discussing on cd command which we have learned in our earlier videos. What is basically cd command used for? Cd command is basically used for changing the directories. So we will try to deep dive it today and discuss it in a broader way. For that we have to open our terminal. So we have learned a shortcut for opening the terminal. I hope you guys remember it. Then the shortcut was Ctrl Alt plus T. If we press that, our terminal should open in a moment. Yes, our terminal has opened. Let me clear the terminal. Okay, so our terminal is open now. So now we know that what is the basically the command used for cd is used for changing the directory. At first let us see the syntax, the working syntax of cd command. So the working syntax of cd command is cd space, and here there will be the path or the directory name. Okay, so this is the correct syntax of it. So at present let us view the files of our home directory, not root directory. This is our home directory, and if we type ls, we can see. Okay, let me zoom the screen a bit more. Okay, so here in our home directory we have some files. So suppose I want to go to the music folder. So I will type cd space, and what was the syntax, what we should type here? You should type here the name of the directory which you want to changed. Okay, so if I want to go to music, I will hit cd space music, and you can see, so this is the directory which I wanted to go. Okay, so the syntax was what? The syntax was cd space the directory name. Okay, so this is the current syntax. Okay, so now we are in the music directory, and now what if you want to go back from this music directory to our home directory? So for going one step back, I have told in my earlier video that you have to type cd space double dot. So double dot means what? You are stepping one step back from your current folder. Okay, so if I hit enter, you can see we have returned in our home directory, and this is this sign. Okay, this sign behind the dollar sign, this is called tilde sign. Okay, so this tilde sign refers basically for the home directory. Okay, not the root directory. So if you want to go to the root directory, you have to type cd space and slash. Okay, so if I hit enter, you can see now this tilde sign has changed to the slash sign. So what does this slash sign mean? This slash sign mean basically root directory. So now we are in the root directory. If I type pwd print working directory, you can see this is the root directory's sign. Okay, so now we are currently on this root directory, not in our home directory. So you don't get confused between the two. Okay, the tilde sign, it refers to the home directory, and the slash sign, it refers to the root directory. Okay, so currently we are in our root directory. So now if we want to move to our home directory, so what was that? What was the command? I have told you cd space tilde. Okay, this sign is called tilde. So if we hit enter, we can see that we are in our, see the sign has changed. At first it was slash. So what was the what the slash refers to? Slash refers to the root directory, and the tilde sign refers to the home directory. So home directory, if you want to see that, at our current directory, what was the command of viewing that? The command was pwd command. Okay, pw and d, and if we hit enter, you can see home slash ashik. Ashik is my current working directory. Okay, so now we will be viewing the files. So what was the command of viewing the files? ls command, right? We have seen in our earlier video ls command. So here if we type the ls command, we will be inside what? Inside our this this directory, specific directory. Okay, so let's change, let's go jump into another directory. I am typing cd, and what was the syntax of syntax after that? After cd you have to type the file name or the directory name which you want to jump in. Okay, so suppose I want to go inside downloads. Okay, so if I hit enter, now I am in which folder? Download folder. Okay, so inside download folder, let me see is anything there or not. I don't know. Okay, let me view it. ls, yeah, there are some files which is stored inside the download folder. Okay, which is inside the download folder. So how you can go back to your home home directory at a glance? Okay, so let us check that. If you type cd space and the tilde sign, you will be redirected to your home directory. Okay, so let's check it redirected or not. If you type ls, okay, you can see again you are in the desktop documents downloads folder which was in our home directory. Okay, so there are two ways how you can go back. Okay, one way is you are directly going to the home directory, and one way is you are jumping one step back. Okay, let me clear it to you. If you use cd and we will go to suppose documents, we are going to documents. So now we are in documents. So what you can do, one thing you can do, that is cd space dot dot. This dot dot refers to what? I have told you this dot dot refers to the, if you want to go one directory back. Okay, you can do by that. And another thing you can do is cd space tilde. These two, cd space tilde, this will take you to the home directory. Okay, and if you want to go to the root directory, what you have to type? You have to just type slash, and if you hit enter, you will be in the root directory. Okay, I hope that's clear for you. So now we will see another way how you can jump into directories. So okay, let me clear my screen. Okay, so for clearing the screen, what we have to type? Clear, clear is the word itself. Okay, and if we hit enter, our screen has been cleared. So now for you can see that we are in the root directory. Okay, so we want to be in our home directory. Okay, so for home directory, what we have to type? We have to type cd and this tilde sign. So now we are in the home directory, and if we type ls, we can see the files present in our home directory, right? So we have seen in our earlier minutes that you can type cd and you can go to and if you type the file name, okay, suppose if you want to go to documents, you can do this, right? cd space and the file you want to go, and if you hit enter, you will be inside the documents. Okay, so now if you type the printing if you want to see currently which directory you are working on, what was the command? pwd command, right? So if I type pwd command and hit enter, you can see we are here you got the path. Okay, home slash ashik slash documents, right? So this is our exact path. So what you can do is if you jump straight into your home cd slash tilde cd slash tilde and hit enter. So now you are in the home directory, right? So now if you type the actual path or the absolute path of that specific folder, okay, like if I type this cd slash home slash ashik slash documents, and what I did is I have typed the absolute path of the documents. Okay, I have given the entire path, and if I hit enter, it will do the same thing. It will take you to the documents. Okay, so we have learned two ways. One is stepping one step ahead of something, okay, and one is giving the absolute path, direct path. Okay, so we have learned how to navigate through the directories. Okay, let me go back to my home. So for going home, I am typing cd space tilde and we have returned to our home. So let's view the files again. So now suppose I am going to a directory which name is music. So I am typing the command cd space music music and hitting enter. So there is let me view the files inside this. For viewing files I am using ls. You can see there is nothing inside this. So let me create a file. Okay, so I am using the interface to create the file. So I will let you know why I am using the interface to create the files. Okay, so here now let me create a new folder here. Okay, suppose I am giving the folder name my folder. Okay, so I am creating a folder here. So now if I want to view, I am typing ls. Now you can see there is my folder. So this one is a folder which is named as my folder. So let us navigate through it. Okay, I am typing cd space my folder. Oh, F is capital. You can see here there is an error. cd too many arguments. Okay, so if there is space inside a folder name, so there are some protocols for this. Okay, so if you want to go inside that folder, so you have to type cd space my backslash folder. Now you can see that you are inside that folder, that specific folder. Okay, if you see, if I type pwd print working directory, you can see you are inside the music folder and inside my folder directory. Okay, so this is the set of protocols you have to know. Okay, so if I step one step back again, because there are many other protocols also, so I will show one or two of them. cd space dot dot, and if I hit enter, now again I am in the music folder. Okay, so in the music folder there are which file? My folder. So this one is one of my directory. So now there is another way how you can go inside this folder, that is cd space double quote, and inside that you have to type your folder name. So I am typing my directory name. If I hit enter, you can see again I am inside that specific directory, my folder. Okay, see. So there is another way how you can do it. I am jumping again back one step back and hitting enter, and if I type cd space single quote, and inside single quote if you type my folder and hit enter, that works the same. Okay, so that's all for today. We have learned very good basics about that. Our cd command, how to navigate through the folders, and how to navigate inside the folder which name has space inside it. Okay, so we have covered our basic topics. So that's all for today. We will be talking on various other commands in our upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.